The Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C is a new tablet with Kaleido 3 launched this week. It features a 10.3-inch Kaleido 3 e-ink screen. It has a Qualcomm Advanced Octa-Core 662 processor, 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. It also has an SD card slot which accepts 1 TB of storage. On the rear of the device is a 16MP rear camera with OCR. It also has Bluetooth 5.1 for wireless headphones or earbuds. Power is provided by the 6300 mAh Li-ion polymer battery. Let's do the unboxing of the device. When you first received your Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C, the first thing you'll notice is its sleek and elegant packaging. Let's do the unboxing of this wonderful device. The device comes in a box with the Onyx Boox logo in the right corner. The third generation color e-paper, e-ink Kaleido 3, offers richer colors, increasing its color saturation by 30% compared to the previous generation, e-ink Kaleido Plus, in addition to 16 levels of grayscale and 4096 colors. Kaleido 3 also supports e-ink Comfort Gaze. The responsiveness of the ink means that Kaleido 3 can play animations and videos. The last few generations of color e-paper could only display 4096 colors at 100 ppi. Kaleido 3 managed to increase the color accuracy to 150 ppi. This was accomplished by putting the color filter array closer to the ink layer. Onyx made further updates to the print pattern. In the past, they used glass and switched to plastic. Black and white PPI using Kaleido 3 can display 300 ppi, and the background is gray, instead of Kaleido Plus, which mixed colors to create gray. Let's get into the contents of the box in few minutes. The box is designed so fashionably that the embossed logo for Boox looks awesome. There is also a marking "Make a Difference." Definitely Onyx has made a difference. Upon opening the box, you'll find the tablet. The Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C has a modern design with a metal body that gives it a premium feel. The tablet has a black bezel around the display and a small Onyx Boox logo at the top left. On the top edge of the device, you'll find the power button and in the bottom the USB-C port and micro SD card slot. The stylus is attached to right side of the tablet and is held in place by a small magnetic strip. The back of the device is plain with a small camera lens. The screen is flush with the bezel and protected by a layer of glass. It has a warm and cool light system, allowing users to read in low-light environments or at night. We find the user manual and a box with stylus and USB-C cable for charging and also the micro SD card pin. The device comes with everything you need to get started, and setting it up is a breeze. The tablet itself is well designed, with a premium feel and a large, high-quality display. The stylus that comes with the device is also a standout feature, with its impressive pressure sensitivity and ease of use. Whether you're a reader or a professional looking for a versatile device that can handle both reading ebooks and productivity apps, the Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C is definitely worth considering. The last few generations of color e-paper could only display 4096 colors at 100 ppi. Kaleido 3 managed to increase the color accuracy to 150 ppi. This was accomplished by putting the color filter array closer to the ink layer. Onyx made further updates to the print pattern. The device has the highest color PPI resolution in ink. We also find the stylus, a USB-C charging cable, a micros pin and a quick start guide in the box. The stylus has been the Onyx Boox Stylus Pro, which looks very elegant with the eraser at the back. Setting up the Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C is a straightforward process. To turn on the device, you need to press and hold the power button located on the top edge of the tablet. Once the device boots up, you'll be prompted to choose your language and connect to a Wi-Fi network. The Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C runs on Android 11, which means you'll have access to a wide range of apps from the Google Play Store. Amar Chitrakatha, Tinkle, Sergio Bonelli Digital, Comixology and Kindle apps provide a lot of online content. Reading newspaper strips archived in the device is also an awesome experience. Overall, the unboxing experience of the Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C is a pleasant one. The Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C has a large 10.3-inch e-ink display with a resolution of 300 ppi. The display is crisp and clear, with sharp text and vivid images. The e-ink technology used in the display also means that it is easy on the eyes, making it ideal for extended reading sessions. The stylus that comes with the tablet is also a pleasure to use. It supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, which means that you can create detailed drawings and sketches with ease. The third generation color e-paper, e-ink Kaleido 3, offers richer colors, increasing its color saturation by 30% compared to the previous generation, e-ink Kaleido Plus, in addition to 16 levels of grayscale and 4096 colors. The device is ideal for design, documentation, and other professional activities. Reading comic books in Onyx Boox is a charm. You can also use the Google Play to install the apps you require like Amar Chitrakatha, Tinkle, Sergio Bonelli Digital, Comixology, and Kindle. The comic books comes to life as if they were printed books in the awesome device. Also, there is a micro SD card slot available in the device so you can sideload a lot of native CBR files for reading comic books. All the comic books are rendered beautifully in the reader. The e-reader does not emit blue light as it is e-ink technology, and hence the reader can continue reading for a longer duration without much issues or strain to the eyes. Onyx has taken so much considerations in bringing the technology stack together that they have achieved the best combination of hardware and software in their product. Reading books in Comixology is so nice. When I started to read books in Comixology, Kindle, or in the Sergio Bonelli editor on my favorite Textwiller in Italian, all the books are rendered in a much better way. I would do another video to do a comparison of reading comic books in different devices and how comfortable it is. Have a wonderful time ahead. Please let me know if you would like to buy this e-reader. If so, please find the link for the Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C in the description.